I'll start taking it seriously when Kudlow, Lighthizer and Mnuchin get round the table again. And I'll start taking it even more seriously when it's Mr. Trump himself, the president, alongside President Xi.
Yeah. No, I mean, it seems like trade talks right now are talks about talks. And I think the thing to keep in mind are negotiations take a long time. They're long and drawn out. Clearly, as we've seen already, sort of the battle lines are being drawn. Conclusions in the middle of the summer when lots of folks are on holiday and there's a lot of transition, I think is a little bit hopeful at best. I think most decisions get made at critical points, and it doesn't seem like we're at a critical point for a meaningful breakthrough.
Elisa, I guess the upside from all of this is that it doesn't escalate any further because they are starting to get around the table a little bit more.
It is telling that talks about talks manages to stabilize the market, right? I mean, that does tell you something about the reactive function. The fact that copper, which is really the gauge of, frankly, weakness stemming from trade tensions, and that's how people have been viewing it, you are seeing a little bit of a bounce from that bear market yesterday. So, yes, it's meaningless, but for the market, they're clinging to whatever they can.
Yeah, Jurrien, I don't want to get too excited about the price action and the comfort that you might get from US futures this morning. Treasuries are doing nothing off the back of this headline around the trade story. I'd imagine if the market believed that there was going to be a serious de-escalation between the Chinese and the United States, we'd have materially higher Treasury yields than we've got this morning, Jurrien.
Yeah, and I think there's a lot more going on than just the trade situation. I mean, the Chinese economy is slowing. And the Chinese government is caught in this vice where the U.S. Fed is raising rates, now 7 times, another 8, the 8th coming up in a few weeks. And the Chinese economy is slowing. The PBOC needs to ease. It has been easing. But China basically imports the U.S. monetary policy because of the currency link. And this is why the yuan is so weak. It's back to 2016 lows because you have this policy divergence between not only the U.S. and Europe, but also the U.S. and China. So I think there's a lot more going on than just trade. And China is following this 2-year cycle. We call it the CRIC cycle, crisis, response, improvement, complacency. And we're in the throes of that kind of, it's not quite a crisis, but they need to ease, but they're limited in what they can do.